Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League lag on PC easy and quick. First open task manager, click right click here and then click task manager, and now once you're here click memory to see apps that consume your memory. And as you see, now we need to close Google Chrome. Just click on it, right click and then click end task, and that's it. And just close any app that takes memory. And after that go to settings and then privacy. Now scroll down until you find background apps. Now just make sure it's turned off, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.